Hi, my name is Kayla Neiman. This is my MyCred portfolio. This is my photo that I decided to use. It's my most recent photo that I felt most appropriate to use for this. It has my address, my phone number, and my email. I decided not to add my social media. And it's got over here my summary, and it says my name is Kayla and I want to make a difference in the world with everything that I do. This is my life goal, and that's what I stated here. Down here I have my active modules. I have my goals. So this is my professional and personal goals. I have my current resume and cover letter. And I have my educational background. The first portfolio project that I put on here was the CAPS225 or CAPS220 Portfolio Project. The outcome that I attached to this portfolio project was assess needs, design a plan of action for an identified problem, implement the plan systematically, and evaluate its effectiveness. This specific portfolio project meets this outcome because it demonstrates my ability to diagnose and treat an individual with a treatment plan that is tailored to that individual and their specific needs. This project also demonstrates my ability to evaluate the effectiveness of the plan and make the necessary adjustments to that treatment plan to better treat my clients and their individual needs. The skills and knowledge that I gained through this specific portfolio project and why they're important for my success in my future career is without the knowledge that I gained from the completion of this project, I would not be able to assess my clients' individual needs and figure out a plan that would work best for them. And I would not have the skills of assessment or evaluation. These skills are important, and this knowledge is important to my future career because without these, I'm not going to be able to effectively do my job and effectively help my clients. And going back to my summary and my life goal, I wouldn't be able to make the difference that I want to make. The next portfolio project that I chose to add to my MyCred profile was the CAPS225 Portfolio Project. The outcome that I attached to this one was demonstrate an understanding of human conditions and factors which present societal challenges as well as those that promote successful human functioning. This portfolio project meets this outcome because it demonstrates my knowledge of human conditions and factors that have an impact on the way we function in society and the challenges these conditions and factors have on our everyday life. This project also demonstrates my ability to diagnose and treat human conditions that impact human functioning. The skills and knowledge that I gained through the completion of this project are important for my success in my future career because without the knowledge of human conditions and factors that present challenges and promote successful human functioning, I would not be able to help my future clients. Having the skill set of being able to determine the conditions and factors that can cause challenges or promote successful human functioning is important because without the skill set, I would not be capable of telling the difference, and it would make my job a lot harder, and we wouldn't get anywhere with our clients. The next one that I chose to add, and the last one that we're going to talk about on here, is the HTHS-230 Portfolio Project. The outcome that I chose to attach to this portfolio project was demonstrate knowledge of the structure and dynamics of individuals, groups, families, organizations, communities, and society as they fit within the historical development of human service delivery. This portfolio project meets this outcome because it demonstrates my understanding of the structure and dynamics of a hospital and the community that that hospital treats. This project also demonstrates my understanding of how the hospital needs to deliver its services to the community, as there are many different individual needs in one community. And there's more than one hospital in each community. So this project helped me be able to identify what the other hospitals bring and what a different hospital that should be included in the community would need, what services they would need to provide. The skills and knowledge that I gained through the completion of this project are important to my success in my future career, because without the knowledge and skill set of the structure and dynamics of a hospital and the community it treats and how it fits within the historical development of human service delivery, I would not be able to effectively deliver care and treatment to my clients. And it's important to be able to deliver the proper care and know what communities that you're treating. And this project really helps with that. And that is my e-portfolio. That's the end of the video.